boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool and beautiful song from Spinall here, and Asake in this song is called Palazzo. So, great song there. We have a song about 4 chords only. It goes in that order: A minor, G, D minor, F through the entire song. So that's great. Let's start capo on the 5th fret, and let's go over the chords. So, A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. D minor next, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And finally we have F. So it's a bar on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, so it goes in that order: A minor, G, D minor, and F through the entire song. And we have one strumming pattern that works for this song, and that will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So pretty long. I'm gonna demonstrate that one with the A minor, since that is the 1st chord. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. That is one round. So again. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 A minors, 2 G, 2 D minor, 2 F. Goes like this. Standard tempo. And so on. Now we can also pick out some cool notes from this, because there's a beautiful melody going on in the background. Here and there. So it could sound something like this if we just looked at the notes here, the melody, and connected to the bass string or the chords. So it will be something like this. Something like that, okay? So that will be an example of the notes here, because it changes a little bit, and later it maybe there are some other notes to this one. So I'm gonna show you these notes I just played now, and if you listen to the song, it changes. So it's up to you to build up something here with the chords. So let's go over it. For A minor, 2nd on G, then open E, and 3rd E. Okay, and then you switch to G, and that is the open B, and then comes, and that is open G, open B, 3rd B, and then comes the D minor. Here you can emphasize the open E or the 1st E. And then comes the F, and here you can emphasize the 2nd G. This one. So And with these notes, you can try to add them into the strumming. So with the strumming we looked at, it could sound something like this. And so on. So that was one example of the medley and how you can play Spinall and Asake song called Palazzo. So good luck with this one, guys. A great song, and play tuned.